What is up, YouTube? We are the One Stop Vids. I am your host, Professor Jack, and join me today is your other host, the Dr. Dinosaur.
I am! That's me!
That was a weird intro for us. Well, we're opening packs today, yet again, online.
Watch the hand. It's giggling around like, I'm gonna open this eventually.
I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it.
But in this pack, we're still on Professor Jack's page.
Yep.
Otis 12 Thor, as you can see in the sticky note. Add us,
Yep.
Feel free to play us. He's gonna open like 20 more-ish packs.
Yep.
Might all be Sun and Moon. It might be a few different things. Well,
this is another voiceover for the old video because the audio got messed up and we had customers and we were upset at Joe. Hey, look, we opened it!
It was all yay, cards! Nothing new except for Bulldor.
Beware!
Ooh, cards.
Dragonite! Awesome.
Before they added in the shiny.
We're gonna be saying that a lot. We're also just gonna talk about stupid stuff like normal. Like, remember the old memes?
What do you mean old memes?
Like the Trollolololo guy? Or Megusta? Or the other ones?
Yeah, I guess.
I miss those days when memes were simple. Butterfree!
Crocorock.
Crocorock! Megusta!
No, Crocodile.
Crocodile. Crocorock?
Crocorock's the middle form. Don't question my knowledge. Serena!
It looks like an onion.
It's one of the only cards I need in the actual physical set. Of course, Professor Jack Barf has it, even though he's only bought a third of what I bought.
I'll trade.
I think Professor Jack Barf has all four. I think he was only missing Arcanine that I needed. I think he has the other 5 cards I need in the set.
I have Arcanine.
Not the Sun and Moon one.
Ah. Oyster!
Coister! The oyster Pokemon.
I haven't really opened up anything great like the last video, but another Cloyster!
2 Cloysters, 2 packs.
Can you get 3 for 3? I hope not.
Yeah, nothing that noteworthy so far. Primarina, yay! And a Poplio, yay! We're going to some Ancient Origins.
One of my favorite sets. I'm eating candy, just so you guys know.
He eats candy when he gets nervous.
Mm-hmm.
Flareon! Woo! Oddish! Woo!
Radish!
Registeel! Woo!
I never use Steel type Pokemon. Special Dark.
Dangerous Energy?
Same thing. Woo!
No, Special Dark's like the Chocolate Rain Kid.
No, that's Chocolate Rain. Oh.
See? It's just over his head.
That guy was pretty cool. He was an old meme, wasn't he?
No.
No?
Chocolate Rain Kid was probably our age or younger.
But was he a meme at the time?
No.
Was he even memes at that time?
I think
Gyarados!
that was pre-news time.
Before memes and after memes. We're year like 4 p.m. I guess you could call it. AM after memes. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna eat my candy.
Volcarona! Yeah, just eat your candy. Shut up.
It's the free candy you get for buying a drink at Cubbies.
He likes going Cumbies. Lysander! Woo!
Woohoo!
Oh, that's it for Ancient Origins.
That was fast.
He didn't get crap. Breakpoint! There's some good cards in this set.
Yeah, we can never get.
No, we've got Max Elixirs.
Oh, that's true. I got a Great Ball.
Drapion!
Drapion's pretty cool.
Yeah. Trubbish!
Yak! Trubbish is yak!
Sure, whatever. Even though Garbodor is one of the best cards out there.
Yeah, but Trubbish
And you got Garbodor too, and you're still saying yuck.
Uh-huh.
It's good for a lot of competitive deck builds.
It's such a lazy Pokemon, though. It's just a trash bag.
You're a lazy Pokemon. What would you come up with? Slinky and Play-Doh?
You do a lot of Play-Doh. Would Play-Doh just be Ditto?
No, you'd make the crappier version where it's
Play-Doh. What's the effect? Does it copy the Pokemons? No, it just kind of sits there.
It gets mushed.
It gets mushed.
So I don't think you have anything great those. I guess he's going to Primal Clash now.
Woohoo!
This video we're going to around 20 packs again.
Yeah.
A bunch of different stuff. Primal Clash, see if he gets some EXs. Oh, he has an ancient trait, Whiscash.
Catfish!
I think you called it Corn Pout in the video. I'm like, no, they're just not what they look like.
It's a horn pout. No. I don't remember what I call it. I think I did that, though. Weedle!
Torchic! Whee!
Weedle's definitely better than Torchics.
Sure. Whalmer EX. Or Whale Lord.
I forgot I grabbed that. That's actually kind of exciting. He's a circle. He looks like Pac-Man.
Too many energies, even though he didn't have the highest HP at that time.
He still looks like Pac-Man.
You look like Pac-Man.
Thank you.
Electric, because they didn't put Electros. And they need Electric or Rare, because they Actually, I heard Electric and Raikou are running a pretty good expanded deck right now.
It might be. I don't know.
Right meow.
Right, meow?
I think the video might end it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell everyone we're awesome.
Tell everyone we're stupid. Be honest.
We're the one-stop vids. Yep. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Peace out, home fries.
Have a great day.